Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a navigation bar menu in Tablue using buttons and containers. First, add a horizontal object while holding shift to make it float. Change its position to 0, 0 and change its background to gray. Now, add two navigation buttons. And one text. Input executive, then set its size to 16 and make its font to Tablue Bold. Click Apply and OK. Now click on the arrow down and Edit button. Input the name and where it is navigated to. For example, Sheet 5. Then it is navigated to Sheet 5. Next, do the same thing. Input Sheet 6. Then it is navigated to Sheet 6. Save it. After that, that's it.